Hi guys, we are really excited because I just received this cordless hand blender for baking purposes, and as you can see it comes with different attachments, and it has a variable speed control, a rechargeable battery, and it has a scratch resistant protective cover, which I think that it's really nice. As I've said, it's cordless and it has different functions that you can use to make different items if you want, and I think that it's really nice. So let's start taking everything out and let's see what comes out. Okay, first we have the main unit. As you can see, it has the control buttons in here, and we can charge it with this port. It uses USB Type C, which I think that it's really nice. And this is the main blades. Okay, we have the user manual and a charging cable, which I think that it's really useful. We get a whisk, this tall cup to make any kind of sauce, mayonnaise, for example, which I think that it's nice. We have this adapter to use it with the whisk, and this is kind of like a adapter to make it like a food processor, which I think that it's really nice. You just place it in like this, okay, and we press the button and use it with this, which I think that it's really nice. You can make different kind of sauces, make whatever you want to use it with. I think that's gonna be a really nice option. And well, I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna make some mayonnaise, for example. I'm gonna use this cup and the simple blades. Okay, in this cup, I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. One, two, a clove of garlic, a bit of lemon, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a bit of salt. We're gonna give it a simple mix first. Okay, and slowly I'm gonna place this oil. This. And we give it a go. And just like that, we have a simple, rich mayonnaise, which I think that it's really nice, and you can use it however you like it. And as you can see, it's really simple to use. It's really great. It comes with many different attachments to use it however you like. And overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.